Hello. Right now I am at pretty much a friend's house. Yeah, I'm at a friend's house. JK. My sister always says JK. I don't know why. I'm pretty sure it stands for just kidding. JK, just kidding. So she says, well, I'm trying to say JK, just kidding. That is kind of fun. Up my friend. Pass by. Right now it is spring. Spring just began. Just barely. Which is why I don't see that much. I see so much more. Way so much more. They should really start taking care of their own. No offense. Spring has sprung. Just like here it is. 2015. Just kidding. It's 2016. And new year, new me. Now, let me tell you a few things about myself. Dolphins, because they help humans. Like, they actually help humans from shark attacks, and I don't like sharks because they actually do eat humans. Because, seriously, someone has to be eaten by a shark at least once. Am I right, people? Yeah. Oh, Bears fan. Bears fan, Bears fan. Bears fan. Someone cross. Skies. The skies. The skies.